Hi guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to create automated YouTube channel, how to make faceless YouTube automation channel. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now before we start, let me give you a basic definition on what YouTube automation is. YouTube automation is basically having YouTube videos or a YouTube channel without ever showing your own face or even showing or using your own voice. So that's the basic definition of YouTube automation. And there are two ways to approach YouTube automation. The first way is to have a group of members or a group of a team that will help you create your videos. Like for example, someone will create your script, someone will record the actual video, and someone would voice over it. So you could utilize a bunch of group members or team members to help you build a YouTube video and eventually build a lot of videos that would be uploaded to the YouTube channel. Now, what I'm going to show you in today's video is the other process, which is specifically for an individual. What an individual can do to create or have their own YouTube automation channel, a faceless YouTube automation channel. So let's get started. You will be able to utilize AI to help you build your YouTube automation. Now, if you notice in a lot of videos, even a random video, sometimes there will be someone talking about a specific topic and then just random clips happening or showing in the background. That is what I'm going to show you today, how you will be able to do just that. And you will be utilizing ChatGPT. You could use other AI out there. You could use Bard, or you could even use Notion's AI. It depends on your preference, but for us, we will be utilizing ChatGPT. We will also be utilizing 11 Labs over here to produce our voiceover, and we will be using CapCut over here as our main editor. So I will be doing a process or the process that would usually need a team. But this time we will be utilizing AI to help make our lives much easier and finish it much quicker. So if you already have a specific niche that you are going to do, and if you're settled with that, you could go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to produce that specific topic. So let's say I would like to learn about beaches. So simply go to ChatGPT and say, create a YouTube script that talks about random facts about beaches. Or instead of beaches, let's say technology. There we go. And simply click on enter, and ChatGPT will produce you a very simple script as you can see here. Now, this might take a while for you because it's separated in segments, but this is very useful for navigating your YouTube videos. But let's do it either way. Let's copy the first part over here and simply go to 11 Labs over here. Now, you don't need to copy and paste the exact script ChatGPT created. You could use it as a template or as a guide. You could build around the specific, or you could build around the script that ChatGPT has provided. You could improve on it. You could change a lot of stuff. But for the sake of saving time, I will simply just copy and paste our outputs over here. So simply copy your script over here. I'm simply going to paste it in this area over here. Let's copy at least 3 or 2 segments over here. There we go. We now have some script over here. The next step is to select the voice. There is a lot of voice over here, as you can see, and you could choose the voice that you want. The good thing about this is there will be some tags over here that will help you identify. You have Australian, calm, and news. So basically the news or the red tags over here indicates what they are good for. The middle one is like their tone, and then the left side is like their accent. So let's try out James.
The fox has many tricks. The hedgehog has but one, but that is the best of all.
As you can see, it's a very good and a very nice AI voiceover. So let's actually use James over here as our voiceover for today's video. So let's look for James. There we go, James. And the process is very simple. simply click on generate over here. But let's see, there are some parts that we are not allowed to add the following characters, which will degrade the speech quality. So you have to clean this up. Maybe this one.
Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome.
Let me fix that for now. Let's say I'm Tricks. There we go. And let's generate it again. Or it's generating right now. I think it's generating right now. It's editing the changes that we have just done, and it's automatically adjusting it. So if you play this, let's see.
Welcome back to another exciting episode of Tech Talk. I'm your name. And today, we're diving into the fascinating...
I don't think it applied the tag tricks over here, so let's generate it again, and let's show you how you will be able to create your videos in CapCut. Now, while this is processing, of course, the longer your script, the longer it would take. Like right now, it's generating a while, but the
Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome.
And as you can see, it's generating right now. There's 60 seconds generated, but it's still not done. So let's give it some time. While waiting, I'll go upload our clips over here in CapCut. If you don't know where to get your different clips that you could have, you could go to this platform called Faceless, and you will be able to download a lot of royalty-free videos or even tips in this platform over here, so you don't need to worry about copyright infringement or any monetization issues. But anyway, let's see, 1 minute and 2 seconds over here. That's basically done. Let's download it. There we go. And simply upload this first into your CapCut. There we go. Now the next process is to simply put in the different clips that you have. Let's do this. Let's make this one shorter since we have a lot of clips over here. I think this is just a duplicate. So anyway, there we go. Simply piece them all together so that you can use them to have this. The more relevant your video is, the more it will be effective, because as the different users are listening to your clips and listening to your videos, they are seeing the videos as well, and they will be able to understand that these are something related to specific topic you're talking about. And so, and if let's play it right now.
Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Tech Talk. I'm Tech Tricks, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of technology with some random and mind-blowing facts. So, grab your favorite beverage, sit back, and let's get started. Our journey begins with a groundbreaking fact. Did you know that the internet, as we know it, was born in 1969? That's right.
And let's leave it as that for now. Now, as you can notice, the clips aren't really specifically tailored for the script that we have. So, when you're creating your script, collaborate it with the photos or clips that you're using so that it makes sense. And you could build it using CapCut over here. Building it is very easy. Editing it is very easy. Exporting it is very simple as well. As you can see, you can simply export it or export the audio, depending on what you need, and deleting it and modifying it is simple and depends on your creativity. But that's basically the idea. You would utilize different tools and put them together to build your output. If you would like to make it a bit more unique or even a bit more funny, you could utilize this Express or this Adobe application over here, Adobe Express, which will allow you to have cartoon characters speak for you. So for example, over here, we could browse here. Let's upload this. And you'll be able to have like this specific character speaking or using the script that you have just provided. And this character will be speaking as well. And that's a very nice thing. You could add this little character into your videos, and aside from or except or instead of your own face or your own voice, you will have like a character speaking for you, talking about a specific topic you are using. So let's give it some time to finish, and let's demonstrate or let's play the video so you could see how this Adobe Express would work as well. And there we go. We now have our clip over here. So simply play this.
Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Tech Talk.
The character is following the voice, following the lip sync, and even has some facial reaction. So you could utilize this as well. And so that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.